Here they are, the Google Cardboard, which are not made by Google anymore as far as I know. This was the company that I bought. They were the least expensive ones on Amazon. They come with like this little foam. This part really doesn't touch your face, and it's separate. I had to cut it, put it on there. But I put one right here on the nose because that's really what touches your face, is this part right here. This won't allow it to go any further, so you're gonna have some light that's gonna escape through. It's not the best experience by far. It's definitely not even close, but it can introduce you into the world of virtual reality, especially if you're on your budget or you don't want to spend $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $800 on a headset. So it's a great starter. It comes with the strap. I definitely recommend it. There's this button on the top, which you use it with the Google VR app, which you're gonna have to scan this barcode down here once you download the app to get the VR working. I don't know if you really need that in order to use them with other apps, but I downloaded it anyway. And it's funny, this little button does work, even though it doesn't really touch your phone when you press it, but it causes things to happen within the Google VR app. The other apps that are on the Google Play Store, I didn't really like any of them. There was one that was pretty cool where you can like travel through space, and they even have like a little shooting game where you don't need a controller. You can just stare at a spaceship flying by, and there's like this little dot, and it'll shoot a missile at it. You know, that was pretty cool. Now, the better videos are on YouTube, believe it or not. YouTube supports virtual reality videos, 360 videos, specifically for virtual reality, where it kind of splits the screen for you. And you can look at it in VR and move around and look at things up above you. I mean, there was one with the person skydiving. I think I took some video of that. I'm going to show that.
First tap it. It tells you can move the device around because it's a 360 and it's a virtual reality one. You can either press and hold the video, but you can also just move around. You see? I'm just spinning around in my chair, and you can look up and down, side to side. And then, as you can see, you have a VR headset icon, and once you tap that, it splits it into two screens, which is how you're going to be able to view it. And you see the white line in the middle. That lets you know that white line goes on the bottom. So when you put it in the headset, and you'll be able to look around once you have it on the headset. But check out how cool this is. Alrighty, let me see. Look at this. Ooh, yeah, buddy. That's where the camera is. So whenever you see that, that's where his camera is, which is on his helmet. But look. This is what it looks like once you have the headsets on. You can look up, down, around. And there's a bunch of different ones. There's roller coasters, haunted houses. Right on YouTube. It's really cool, man. The haunted house ones, they're actually scary if you like turn off the light and sit in the room by yourself at night. But yeah, this is so cool, isn't it? And there you have it. And this is right on YouTube. You just Google virtual reality 360 videos and they'll come up.
But yeah, it's pretty cool for starters. And especially if you're on a budget, you just want to check it out, see what it's about. But let's check out some of the YouTube VR videos.
So I started this Google Cardboard app. Wants to take pictures. It says define this barcode. Successfully paired. Place your phone into your cardboard viewer. Oh, this is hot. Yo, this is hot. Oh, look at the fox. Hey, fox. Look at the fox here. Oh, man, this is hot. I can't wait to get the real deal. Oh, there it goes. You have to press it all the way. What's up, Fox? Easy all you can fly. Oh, you just some cheap little VR. What's up? Oh, it's good. Dude, this is sick. Yeah. Okay. I need to catch you second.